Okay, the smaller ones and the medium ones, as we did yesterday, we're going to line you all up in front of the grandstand. So there's no need to take a circuit of the arena. Just come and line up for us. Get plenty of coal on the fire so as I can have a warm. There you go. Yeah, they've all got very special hooters on them. As you can see with this one now coming in, it's chain steer, so it's on a corkscrew. So in order to turn left and right, you wind the chain on. So the steering mechanism is here, up to a rod, and the steering wheel there. So very simple system actually. Smashing, yep, there you go. There we are, you see them without a brake. There's a way of stopping it rather quickly. I'm looking on the front, paraffin lamp possibly, is it for the lights? Yeah, paraffin on that, yeah. Yeah. I've been told I keep a lot of junk. It doesn't surprise you to know I've got one of them in the shed as well, I think, somewhere. Never throw it out, lads. You'll never know when you'll need it. And it's amazing what we've got in these sheds. Whether people will be as interested. Interestingly here, I would imagine if on this one while we're lining up, this plate here, if it had been on the Town Macadam Road, that would have been for cleaning the wheels. Yeah. And as you can see, the best way of stopping it moving on is putting a chuck at the back of it. You can't really put your toe behind this one and hope it doesn't roll backwards, can you? Once it's out, yeah. So what you're saying is you've learned that the hard way. Yeah. Right, well, here they all come. Oh yeah, we've got quite a few small ones coming in. One with a technical problem. Probably haven't got enough water. And when these were used by contractors for farming, well, you literally lived in it. It was your home. As you may have seen in some of the old films or whatever, they would sleep underneath them. Especially on a cold night, you'd retain a lot of heat in the boiler.
Brings them a little, steam it up the middle here, please.